Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Sci-Fi block, in Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2023. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary. So it's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number double 75. Yeah, double 75. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 14 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, but this one has 14. I don't think it's a hard one, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? In this puzzle contains the 1 and 2. Well, here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait. Insufficient information. And the box near the middle box is already filled in with the 4, not the 5. 4 or a 5. It's always 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Cannot see any quadra boxes in this puzzle. So my next strategy is now to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Here another T shape, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright. Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. whatever. You name it. Alright. And the question is why you maximum 6, huh? Yeah? We have here only 4, but maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be in there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. Excuse me. Wow. Need to sneeze. So 1 box left in this duo box for the number 1. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1, so that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Alright. Okay. Need to sneeze my nose. Apologies. Blow my nose, not sneeze my nose. Blow my nose. Correction. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4 and a 5. You have a double 4 there, double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be 2. It can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. Only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, no. We already have a 2 here. Should be a 3, yes. This box can be a 3, so the 3 should be here, should be there. Made a mistake. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. Well, let me think. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then this box can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. Well. These are 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then this box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be 2 or a 3. Can be a 1. Can be 5. So 1 digit left should be a 4 then. Yeah. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Can be a 1. Can be 5. Yeah, 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. So this can be 4 anymore. Okay, so 2 numbers left with the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 2 or a 3. Alright. Let me think. Well, I think this box should be a 1 in this triple box because we have here a double 2 and a 3. If this is a 2, then this should be a 3 then. Can it be a double 2? Can it be a double 3? So this box should be a 1, definitely. Okay, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. That means that this box should be a 5. Can be a 1? Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Yeah, that should be a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Okay. I think this box should be also a 5. Can be a 1. Can be a 2, can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Wow, it's mirrored here. Look, 1 1 5 5 4 4, double 2 and double 3 there. Well, here also 1 and a 4 should be also 1 and a 4. I believe the 4 should be here then. No. Then this should be a 4, but we already have 4 there. All right. Let me think. Well, I think this box should be a 3 or 4. 3. This should be a 3, this box. Can be a 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 or a 3 in this area. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes in there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be... No. Need to wait. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be here. Now let me blow my nose again. Well. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. That means that these two boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be here then. So two numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left, the 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes and there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or, oh well, it can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. Should be a 4 here. Nope, cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here. Okay. These two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. Two numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. And the final two numbers in this cross area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it also with myself. Thank you again for watching. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.